I am a guest. I'm thrilled to be here. I'm expecting to see some fantastic talent tonight. I'm looking forward. This is about the third time I've been to Mumbai, so I'm very happy to be here. What is beauty for me? It's just the oldest things are true. Beauty's from the inside. It's from the inside every time.
Who is your favorite Bollywood actor? Who is your favorite Bollywood actor?
Salman Khan. One of my favorites. Amir Khan, who I've met, and Salman Khan. At the moment, I'm preparing a film called Jungly with Vijay Chamois, and it's going to be an amazing action adventure.
What's your favorite movie in the Bollywood right now?
I like Sultan. Sultan. Yes. Yes.
Have you seen the movie Sultan?
Actually, I've met Shahrukh. I'm a fan. I'm a great fan of Bollywood films. My favorite film of my own work is a little inspired by the dancing in Bollywood. Excuse me? Oh, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, voices. Iris. Come here. Okay. You want me to talk here? Iris. Good? Good? Okay. Hi everybody, I'm so excited to be here as a judge of Miss Diva tonight. So I hope you will enjoy the show. I think it's going to be a very big surprise and I can't wait to see it.
Are you planning to go in Bollywood movie future?
I don't know, why not? That's a good question. I'm learning Bollywood dance, so I have to learn a lot more, but why not in the future?
Who's your favorite actor in Bollywood?
Of course, it's Lara. She's so beautiful, and because she's the director of Miss Diva, I love her so much.
What's your favorite movie in Bollywood?
Actually, I like the Bollywood that we did in France. Like, we're going to India to film kind of Bollywood movies, and we did one. It's a very romantic movie, so I love this one. But because I just learned English, I don't know a lot of Bollywood movie, but I promise I'm going to watch a lot now.
Do you like Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan? Do you like Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Amir Khan?
Okay, so this morning we were talking about Shah Rukh Khan because he's like doing romantic movies, so I would like to see it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You just stand here. Just stand here for 2 minutes.
everyone. So I'm really excited for this night because the fate of one girl will be changed, and of course she'll have very less time to prepare for Miss Universe. But all the best to all the girls and all the best to the winner. May the best girl win. I really want the most deserving girl to win, the one who is very confident, the one who is very humble and most prepared to go for Miss Universe. So let's see how it goes.
Meet you, the Arjun Bhullar. He's the UFC fighter. He's going to fight in India very soon. So, Arjun Bhullar, I think everybody know about him. He's a Commonwealth Games gold medalist. So he's with me right now. So you can ask him anything you want to ask. So yes.
What's the beauty for you?
For me, beauty is this man right here. I'm here to support my man. I'm here on behalf of the UFC.
Yes.
I won my first fight representing India and recently, but I'm here to support him and be with the people.
Yeah. Good, man. For me, I think I can't describe beauty in words. I can't describe beauty in words. I think beauty is everything. I think beauty is, it's depend on you, like what you like. So I can't describe. So I don't know, man. Yeah. अभी थोड़ी देर इंतज़ार कीजिए, हमारी बायोपिक बहुत जल्दी बनेगी, लेकिन थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा बिकॉज आई हैव लाइक बहुत सारी चीज़ें करनी बाकी अभी लाइफ में. सो थोड़ा सा इंतज़ार कीजिए, ज़रूर बनेगी.
आपने एक मूवी करने के बाद बहुत हो गया था, कब आपको नेक्स्ट मूवी में देखेंगे?
मूवी यार अभी मैं बॉक्सिंग में ही अच्छा हूँ। आई थिंक लोग मेरे को बॉक्सिंग में देखना ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं, नहीं कि मूवीज़ है। लेकिन मेरे पास ऑफर आए हैं मूवीज़ के, लेकिन अभी मैं बॉक्सिंग में बहुत खुश हूँ और मैं चाहूँगा कि मैं माइट भी दिसंबर में मैं दोबारा से फाइट करूँ। यस,
आज के शो के लिए क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है? बहुत सारे लोग हैं, आप क्या expect
आई थिंक जो हमारी मिस डीवा होगी वो इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करेगी ऑन मिस यूनिवर्स। ये बहुत बड़ा एक मुकाम है। हमें पता है कि लाइक कितनी बड़ी जॉब है कि आप इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे। तो आई थिंक शी शुड बी लाइक फिट ईच एंड एवरी सेक्टर। यस, थैंक यू जी।
And here's wishing all of you a very happy Diwali.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Stand in for the movie.
Beautiful, gorgeous, stunning girls to win this contest, who will be representing our country, India, tomorrow in various contests in different countries. So they should definitely be eloquent. They should definitely be the pride of our countries and the pride of our country. They should definitely outshine in different countries as India. Yes, I'm very happy for Shantanu Maheshwari. He's been an extremely good and a very strong contestant throughout the journey of Khatron Ke Khiladi, and I'm very happy for him and I wish him all the very best for future. Like I have always believed that I don't believe in letting my cat go out of my purse at this moment. I think I should be in the right position to say something very soon, and I'm soon gonna break some good news. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you. Dance like that. My hairstyle is this way, right? So many, like, this is like, when you wear a gown, guys, it's so difficult. I'm telling you, this is crazy. Alright, thank you. See you.
साल ये जो है इवेंट, जो हमारा इवेंट है, ये तो फिक्स ही है, हमने आना है बहुत साल हो गए, आई थिंक
12 years.
12 years now, and it's every time gets better and better, and there's no doubt that
It's more professional, I think, and India has so many beautiful girls, and we are dying to see every year the new beautiful girls.
Yes,
New faces.
some present coming for the film industry.
asked me to be one of the jury members and to judge to decide on who is going to be Miss Diva tonight. Sorry? What's beautiful? What's beauty for me? Well, beauty is not only external beauty. For me, it's the internal beauty which is equally important. And it's somebody who's compassionate, somebody who thinks for the society as well. And of course, for me, it's beauty along with brains, which matters. Yes. I'm very happy, that's what we expect whenever our new trailer comes. That's what we hope, that people like it, people appreciate it, and the kind of response we're getting from our social networking sites, it's quite overwhelming, and we're really keeping our fingers crossed and hoping for the best. It has just become very hectic. Nothing has changed apart from that. I'm still the same person. I still love, my first love has always been acting and will always be acting. And that's the thing I enjoy the most, being in front of the camera and acting. But yeah, now I have to do other things also, apart from just acting in a film. No, not really. No, imagine the kind of money Newton has made. It's such an amazing phase. I think it's a very welcome change in the industry, and the kind of films people are accepting now. Content has finally got its due respect. I'm very happy about this fact. And for me, content has always been the king since my first film. I've never really never thought about how it's going to perform at the box office. That's something which is beyond our control, and we really can't think about that. Yeah, we all love him. Yes. Yes, of course I would love to wish him. I've already wished him. I'd love to wish him here as well. A very, very happy birthday to, for me, he is Indian cinema. Indian cinema is equal to Amitabh Bachchan. Yeah. Well, it's not effort, it's majboori, because I've shaved my head half for hosts, for my series. So till my hair grows back, I have to just, keep using these headgears. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks.
Actually, it's my shopping from Spain right now. So no designer today. It's my own collection. It's always very nostalgic when I come here because being a Miss India, walking down the same red carpet and seeing it happen all over again is just nostalgic and amazing at the same time. And looking for a great show and hope the best one wins the crown. Thank you. Thank you. Wait, sir.
Actually, I'm dressed in a tribute tonight to all the women in defense. This contest has always been about women's empowerment, and I'm wearing a custom-made Shantanu and Nikhil tonight. It's a tribute to Nirmalaji, who's our Women Defense Minister, to all the women who will soon be in combat, to the 3 women fighter pilots that we have in the armed forces. And I'm very, very excited. This is the 4th year that I'm associated with Yamaha Fasino Miss Diva 2017. And today we will crown a new winner who will go on to represent India at Miss Universe.
How nostalgic do you feel every time you attend a beauty contest, given the fact that you were a trendsetter in your time? So, do memories come back flooding?
I think memories come back every year. I've been very, very fortunate to have the opportunity to mentor 4 batches of girls who have gone on to represent India. And right from day one, I know exactly what they're going through. So I'm actually a very good person for them to have on their side.
When do we get to see you in Bollywood again?
Well, I've been filming through pretty much most of this year since June, July. So hopefully the movie will release, I don't know when, that Vashuji, who's the producer, has to decide. But it's a lot of fun. There's Baman, there's Karan, there's Sonakshi, Daljit, and it's been a blast shooting it.
Jury comprises of, the judges comprise of Shahid also. What are you thinking like about your the girls? How will be they facing their the tough probably?
I think this year we have an incredible batch of girls. They are from very, very diverse backgrounds, but they have a singular ambition in mind. And they've gone through their entire training process. I'm extremely happy with the way that the girls have really developed and transformed themselves in the weeks that we've spent together. And for the very, very first time, we also have the Miss Universe organization, the president of the Miss Universe organization, and the reigning Miss Universe, who are going to be on the judging panel tonight. So I think it's a very special night, and I'm looking forward to getting in there and getting on with the show. Thank you. Huh? Wishing all the viewers a very, very happy, safe Diwali. Please say no to crackers. Have an amazing festival of lights, and thank you so very much for joining us tonight. Thank you. Thanks.